cold out here. That's because it's really warm in there. That's it. That's the drone van, aka the Skybox, and that's where me, Air Jordan, flies out of for Champ Off-Road and Snowcross here in Shakopee. And yeah, this thing is keeping me warm. So come closer and I'll show you a little bit about it. Picked it up in New York City. It's an ex-NYPD surveillance van. Originally cost $250,000 to build. It's got a full scissor lift inside and a fully enclosed box. This is a big billboard. There is so much potential behind this thing. It's a good opportunity for everybody to get involved in this and bringing it to all of the Champ Off-Road and all the Snowcross events, including more. Winds are pretty chill right now. We got gusts up to 35 miles an hour, sometimes 20, but I can handle it no problem. So yeah, let's just get back to the Skybox and do some flying.